Hi, we are taking a video for how to repair radiant hair saunas with our universal control system. So this is the keypad for a radiant hair sauna. This is the control box. So this control box was already burned and there was an electric fire. So every radiant hair sauna I have repaired, they were kind of burned here and burned here. So that's the reason I'm not able to repair the parts, because I don't feel confident and I don't feel it's a good design. But it's just my feeling. I don't want to debate with you, but this one was burnt. So let's start. So on the roof of the sauna, so you will have this. This is the speaker. Then this is the front. Then this is the top. And you can see I have the same box here. Then this is the color light here, and the smaller silver is for the color light power, but I do not have it. This one is here. So, and then this is a box again, and I have the same box. So we will start right now. So first of all, here all of the heater 6 plug, all of the 6 heater outlet goes to 1, 2, 3, 4 connections. So that means you can wire all of the heaters to 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 connections. So from the top is neutral air, and then neutral air again. Then the next is light. So I only can supply a light that is 12 voltage. It's here. So the light for your sauna, that means I can only supply power to this light. I cannot supply power to your color light. If you want color light, we have big LED light for extra charge. That's very bright. This color light is very old and it's not definitely not bright, not worthy to repair it. Then after talking about the heater, we will talk about the speaker. So you have a speaker wire here. So you take your black wire and wire directly to IR plus, and your white wire to IR minus. And you have another speaker. So the black goes R plus and the white goes R minus. These are the speakers. 2 speaker goes here. If you don't want hardwire speaker to here, then we already have cables. This cable, 4-wire cable, that's the speaker as well, goes to outside here. This one. And there is a logo on it. It's called, this is the sign on the speaker wire. Then this next one is the light. So the light this lamp, neutral, and line. Don't use this. This is not for you. So the 12 volts lights goes here, goes to 12 V G and D. So this is ground, this is positive, and it's written there LAMP, lamp, 12 V G and D ground lamp. And you may ask me, what is this for? For this one, this is also 12 volts G and D out. This is for color light, CD player, or ionizer, whatever 12 volts constant you require. If you want a big color light, you can use this to hook. Then you have my keypad. So my keypad is like this. I know my keypad is wider than yours, so you have several options. My suggestion is you only use one keypad. So inside you took out your keypad, and then if you only use one keypad, only use the one with USB, and then you can. Basically, my suggestion is you open this screws, this small screw, take the keypad out, then remove this frame, this small frame, remove this, remove this, remove this. The reason is because after removing this with a plier, the keypad can easily fit your sauna easier, and then you can still use this frame to cover it. So here, that means you get a frame like this to cover the keypad. So for the temperature sensor, you just simply put inside the sauna. This is the original location for your temperature sensor here, but you don't have to use that hole. You can drill a hole, or you can just make the temperature sensor come in from the color light. That's it. So thank you for watching, and in quick summary, these are the heaters. It goes directly here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this center two of them, this is the 12 light that controlled by here. And for the Bluetooth, you need to wire your speakers to here, and then the Bluetooth will be working. And if you only use one keypad, this is the only one to use with the USB plug. This is actually a USB player. And thank you for watching. So again, this is the old one. This is the universal control system. This is my new keypad. Thank you.